Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee hair color at home. We'll explore a simple, natural method to achieve beautiful, temporary hair color without harsh chemicals. This guide will help you understand the benefits of using coffee for a gentle, enriching hair treatment. You'll learn how to prepare and apply the mixture for a subtle, natural tint, enhancing your hair's natural beauty with everyday ingredients. Get ready to transform your hair with this easy, at-home solution. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of very strong, dark brewed coffee, completely cooled to room temperature. Next, prepare a thick paste by mixing 2 tablespoons of fine coffee grounds with 1 cup of your favorite leave-in conditioner. This combination creates the base for your natural dye. Stir these components together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent mixture, ensuring there are no lumps for even application. This careful preparation is key to a successful coloring process. Now, let's apply the coffee mixture to your hair. Start with clean, damp hair, working in small sections for thorough coverage. Use gloves to protect your hands and apply the paste generously from the roots all the way to the ends of each strand. Ensure every part of your hair is fully saturated for an even color result. Once applied, secure your hair in a bun and cover it with a shower cap. Allow the mixture to sit for at least 60 minutes or even longer for a deeper tint. After the waiting period, it's time to rinse. Gently wash your hair with cool water until the water runs completely clear, indicating all the coffee mixture has been removed. It's important to avoid using shampoo for at least 24 hours after rinsing, allowing the natural color to fully set. For best results and a more pronounced color, consider repeating this natural dyeing process once every week. This consistent application will help build and maintain your desired coffee-infused hair shade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.